Namaskar and welcome to all of you. My name is Suniti Sanwal. I am Professor and Head Department of Elementary Education at NCERT. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to India Toy Fair 2021. In today's session, we'll be discussing how play and toys are an important aspect of child's development. Toys and games have been a part of our social cultural milieu. There are many games which have been a part of our history, like the Chaduranga, which is a predecessor of the chess, or a Pachisi, which is a variant of Ludo that we play today. Toys and games not only make the learning engaging, joyful, and experiential for the child, but also facilitate the development of fine motor skills, problem-solving skills, analytical abilities, vocabulary development, understanding of mathematical concepts. This online activity that we are holding today is jointly organized by FICCI and Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India. In today's session, there will be two panelists who will be conducting this online activity. The first panelist is Ms. Shrija Kanoria, Curriculum Specialist, Dost Education. Shrija is a communication person who is passionate about early childhood development. She graduated from St. Xavier's, Kolkata, and then learned advertising craft at Mika, Ahmedabad. She has worked with childline and mobile creches in the past. Shrija will demonstrate how children can be engaged in fun-filled games and activities from the things freely available in our kitchen, home, and environment. These activities are fun not only for children, but also create a bonding between parents and family members.
आज हम खेलेंगे और हम खेल के बारे में बातें करेंगे। कुछ खेलने से बेहतर क्या हो सकता है? पता है आपको, बच्चों को खेलने का भी हक है। आप सोचेंगे खेलने का हक? हाँ, जैसे शिक्षा का हक है वैसे उनको खेलने का भी हक है, क्योंकि खेलना बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, उनके शारीरिक, काल्पनिक और मानसिक विकास के लिए। कई लोग सोचते हैं कि शायद हमें खेलने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें खरीदनी पड़ेगी, बाज़ार जाके कुछ खरीद के लाना पड़ेगा। पर आपको पता है सही बात क्या है? खेल तो भाई हम कहीं भी, कभी भी, कैसे भी खेल सकते हैं। खेल हमारे ऊपर है, नीचे है, आगे है, पीछे है, घर की हर चीज़ में खेल है। मैं तो कहूँगी कि पूरा का पूरा जो हमारा दुनिया है वही एक खेल पिटारा है। तो चलिए आज हम चल के खेल को रसोई में ढूंढते हैं। रसोई में क्या बनता है? गोल गोल चपाती, और चपाती किससे बनती है? आटे से। तो क्यों ना हम आटे से खेलें। जब जितने भी घर वाले होंगे हम सबको कुछ आटा दे देंगे और हम आटे की गोली बनाएंगे। और आटा का गोली बनाने के बाद में हम बनाएंगे एक कहानी। कौन सी कहानी? वो कहानी तो जब बनेगी तब पता चलेगा।
बहुत साल पहले एक छोटा सा चूहा था। चूहे का नाम क्या था? मुझे कौन बताएगा उसका नाम क्या है? चूहे का नाम है मट्टू। ये है मट्टू चूहा। ये उसकी लंबी सी हम पूंछ भी लगाएंगे। मैंने पूंछ बनाई। ये है मट्टू चूहा, ये है उसकी पूंछ, ये है उसका मुंह, ये उसके छोटे छोटे से कान। ये बैठा है, कौन है ये? मट्टू चूहा। मट्टू चूहा भाग रहा है। वो क्यों भाग रहा है? क्योंकि उसके पीछे आ रही है बिल्ली मौसी उसको पकड़ने के लिए। भागो मट्टू, भागो। नहीं। अब क्या होगा? बिल्ली मौसी को लगी है भूख। उसको कोई दूध का कटोरा नहीं दिया तो चूहे को खा जाएगी। नहीं। कोई दूध का कटोरा लाएगा? मैंने ला दिया। ओह, नैना ने बचा लिया चूहे को। ये मट्टू कितना खुश है। मट्टू बच गया।
अब ढूंढते हैं कि और क्या है रसोई में। मुझे तो रसोई से मिल गए कुछ चम्मच, और चम्मच के संग में कुछ मुझे मिल गई नींबू। नींबू को काटेंगे, शिकंजी नहीं बनाएंगे हम इस नींबू का। हम इस नींबू को रखेंगे चम्मच के ऊपर और दौड़ लगाएंगे कि पहले चम्मच के ऊपर में नींबू लगा के कौन सबसे आगे पहुंचता है। ये खेल बड़े छोटे सब खेल सकते हैं। इसमें देखना है कि कौन तेज भी भागना है और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि नींबू ना गिरे। इससे हमारा शारीरिक विकास होगा इस खेल से और हमारा ध्यान भी लगेगा और मजा तो आएगा ही। इसमें हम एक और चीज कर सकते हैं। अगर हाथ में लेके भागना आसान लग रहा हो तो हम चम्मच को मुंह में पकड़कर और नींबू को स्थिर रखने की कोशिश भी कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले हमने लाए रसोई से आटा, फिर हम लाए नींबू और चम्मच। अब देखते हैं रसोई में और क्या मिलेगा हमें। क्या हमें वहाँ पे कटोरा मिलेगा? बहुत सारे कटोरे ले आइए रसोई से और हम खेलेंगे कटोरे पे कटोरा। अब ये जो खेल है इसमें बहुत मज़ा भी आता है और बहुत आवाज़ भी होती है। इसमें हमें बारी बारी से घर के सारे सदस्य आसपास बैठ जाएंगे। एक कटोरा लगाना है, फिर दूसरा सदस्य दूसरा कटोरा लगाएगा, फिर तीसरा सदस्य तीसरा कटोरा लगाएगा और जो सदस्य का कटोरा लगाने से जब वो पहाड़ गिरेगी वो हार गया। फिर जो बाकी सदस्य है वो गेम आगे खेलते चले जाएंगे। इसमें भी स्थिरता, ध्यान और मज़ा तो आता ही है।
अब कनिष्क की बारी, अब कनिष्क की बारी है, कनिष्क की बारी है। गिरेगा, गिरेगा। कनिष्क आप लगा के देखो अभी। गिरेगा।
अब हमने कुछ तो खेल बना लिए, अब कुछ हम गाना बजाना करें। हम अब रसोई में जाएंगे और कुछ हम ग्लास लेकर आएंगे। ग्लास नहीं तो कटोरे भी ला सकते हैं। 5-6 कटोरे और पानी और सबसे ज़रूरी एक चम्मच। हम क्या करेंगे, जो हम ग्लास को एक क्रम में लगाएंगे और हर ग्लास में पानी डालेंगे। किसी में थोड़ा, किसी में और थोड़ा, किसी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा, किसी में थोड़ा कम, और देखेंगे कि हर अलग अलग माप की पानी चले जाए आपके ग्लास में। और चम्मच लेके हम उस ग्लास के ऊपर में बजाएंगे टंग टंग टंग, और देखिएगा कि पानी जितना कम होगा या बेसी होगा उससे आपकी अलग अलग आवाज़ें निकलेंगी। ये बन गया आपका जल तरंग। अब बजाइए आप गाने और गाइए भी साथ में।
थोड़ा पानी, किसी में डालेंगे हम ज्यादा पानी, किसी में बहुत ज्यादा, किसी में थोड़ा से ज्यादा।
देखो आवाज सुनो। हाँ, सब में अलग अलग आवाज है ना।
हाँ, नाव चली नाव चली, तुम पीछे को चली हो आगे को।
तो यहाँ जब हम अपने जल तरंग में मधुर मधुर संगीत बजा रहे हो, कोई एक पतीला उठा के ढोलक भी बजा सकता है, तो हो गई ना हमारी बैंड तैयार। तो अब तो हमने रसोई में कितने सारे खेल ढूंढ लिए। मैंने तो आपको 4 बताए हैं, अब देखते हैं आप कौन से खेल ढूंढते हो। पता है रसोई में क्या, हम यूं ही कागज और कुछ कलम उठाकर भी कितने सारे गेम बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि राजा मंत्री चोर पुलिस। खेला है कभी? बहुत आसान सा गेम है। एक कागज लेना है, उसको 4 भाग में काटना है और उसे 4 पर्ची बनानी है। एक पर्ची पे लिखना है राजा, एक पे मंत्री, एक में चोर और एक में पुलिस। सभी खेल सकते हैं और छोटे बच्चे और बड़े साथ में खेल सकते हैं।
राजा के 1000 अंक होते हैं। फिर हमने बनाया मंत्री। ये बन गया मंत्री का टर्बन को क्या बोलते हैं, उसकी मंत्री की पगड़ी। और मंत्री के होते हैं 500 अंक। और फिर हमने बनाया पुलिस का क्या होता है जी? पुलिस का होता है एक डंडा और उसके होते हैं 800। अगर चोर पकड़ा तो, अगर चोर को नहीं पकड़ा तो पुलिस को मिलते हैं नील बट्टा सन्नाटा या 100 बट्टे। चोर को कैसे बनाए हम? चोर को या तो मिलेंगे 0 या उसे मिलेंगे पुलिस के सारे पॉइंट्स। और ये रहा हमारा चोर भागते हुए, देखो भाग रहा है, पीठ पे कुछ लेके जा रहा है ना? अब हम इसको मोड़ देंगे। आरुषि तुम भी मोड़ो।
चलो सब करो इसको।
तो राजा के पास, जिसके पास राजा की पर्ची आएगी वो बुलाएगा पुलिस को। पुलिस बोलेगा जी हजूर। फिर राजा बोलेगा कल मेरे घर पे ना चोरी हो गई, मेरे कलर पेंसिल्स के नए सेट आए थे, कोई लेके भाग गया। तो मंत्री बोलेगा अच्छा जी। तो राजा बोलेगा इन दोनों में से चोर को पकड़ो, एक होगा मंत्री, एक होगा मंत्री, एक होगा चोर। और पुलिस को पता नहीं कौन कौन है, ठीक है, उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। और मंत्री को चोर को चुपके से बताना नहीं है कि कौन कौन है, ठीक है। पुलिस का क्या काम है? किसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा? चोर को। चोर ने क्या चोरी करी है?
हम तो जो भी है।
कौन कर
चल चलो पकड़ो। चलो आरुषि पकड़। पुलिस कौन है? राजा।
दिखाओ मत दिखाओ।
राजा कौन है? पुलिस को बुलाओ।
पुलिस बोला, पुलिस।
जी हुजूर।
आरती को बोलो ना, क्या चोरी हो गया? क्या चोरी हो गया आपका कनिष्क? आप
क्या
बताओ
हुआ राजा जी, आपका क्या चोरी हुआ?
क्या चोरी हो गया?
कलर पेंसिल।
कनिष्क का गेम चोरी हो गया।
गेम?
कनिष्क की गेम चोरी हो गई है राजा जी की। आप बता सकते हो किसने चोरी करी? कौन चोर है इन दोनों में से?
चोर कौन है राजा जी? चोर को पकड़ना है।
आपको क्या लगता है? नैना चोर है कि ये चोर है? आपको कौन लगता है?
कौन?
चोर। अरे
नैना चोर है।
आप चालू करो। ओके
देखिए
राजा कौन है? अरे मुझे जी हजूर। क्या राजा जी आपकी क्या चोरी हो गई? कनिष्क की लॉलीपॉप चोरी हो गई रात को। आपकी लॉलीपॉप चोरी हो गई।
क्या
अब
कलर
मुझे
की थी?
चोर ढूंढना है क्या, कौन है? नैना तो बड़े रिलैक्स थे, इस बार तो वो चोर नहीं हो सकती है। नैना बड़े रिलैक्स्ड हो कि आप चोर हो, आप मंत्री हो।
नैना पेंसिल।
मुझे लगता है कि नैना की पापा चोर है, केशव चोर है।
ये तो नहीं है।
केशव चोर नहीं है, तुम फिर से चोर हो। नैना को सारे पॉइंट्स मिल गए फिर तो। कौन चोर है बताओ तो सही। तो मंत्री हो। मुझे सारे पॉइंट्स मिल गए। चोर पकड़ा गया।
कागज, पेंसिल, पेन के साथ तो हम कितने सारे गेम खेल सकते हैं, है ना। जैसे हमने अभी राजा मंत्री चोर पुलिस खेला था। बच्चे को ऐसे ड्राइंग में भी बड़े मजा आता है और हम भी उनके संग में ड्राइंग कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको एक और गेम बताती हूँ, उससे बड़ा मज़ा आएगा। उसमें क्या करना है कि एक सदस्य या एक बच्चा के सामने में हम एक कागज रख देंगे और एक सदस्य या बच्चा उसके पीछे बैठ जाएगा और उसकी पीठ पे कोई भी आकार बनाएगा, चाहे गोला हो, चौकोर हो, चाहे त्रिकोण हो, और बच्चा अपनी पीठ पे उसको महसूस करके आगे कागज में बनाएगा। बच्चा अगर बड़ा हो या हमें इसकी कठिनाई और बढ़ानी हो तो हम कुछ घर भी बना सकते हैं, कुछ किसी का चेहरा भी बना सकते हैं, और फिर मज़ा आता है कि देखने में कि हमने क्या बनाया था और महसूस करने वाले ने क्या आंका।
वेरी गुड।
हमारे पास आते जाते, कभी उठते बैठते कोई सामग्री हो चाहे नहीं हो, किचन का सामान लाने का समय हो चाहे नहीं हो, पर हमारे हाथ तो हमेशा हमारे साथ ही रहते हैं। तो क्यों ना हम हाथों से ही कोई खेल खेलें। हम खेलेंगे अब कागज, पत्थर, कैंची। इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, दो लोग खेल सकते हैं, बच्चे बड़े, बच्चे बच्चे, बच्चे बड़े, कोई भी खेल सकता है। इसमें हमें क्या करना है, जोर से बोलना है कागज, पत्थर, कैंची, और हमें या तो कैंची, कागज या पत्थर से अंत करना है। अगर मैंने बनाया पत्थर और मेरे दोस्त ने बनाया कैंची, तो मैं उसकी कैंची को तोड़ दूंगी और मुझे मिलेंगे 1 अंक। और अगर मैंने बनाया पत्थर और मेरे दोस्त ने बनाया कागज, तो अपने कागज से मुझे पकड़ लेगा और उसको मिल जाएंगे 1 अंक, तो मुझे मिलेगा कुछ भी नहीं। अगर मैंने बनाया कैंची और उसने बनाया कागज, तो मैं कैंची से उसके कागज को काट दूंगी और मुझे मिल जाएंगे 1 अंक। तो कभी भी खेल सकते हैं हम। पत्थर, कागज, कैंची।
कागज, पत्थर, कैंची। कागज, पत्थर, कैंची। कागज, पत्थर, कैंची। मैंने तोड़ दिया। मुझे 1 पॉइंट मिल गए। चलो 1-1। कागज, पत्थर, कैंची।
एक हम और खेल खेलते हैं जिसमें हमें कोई सामग्री की आवश्यकता नहीं है। ये खेल है बोल के बताओ। इस क्रिया में हम उल्टे पुल्टे शब्द बोलेंगे और ये उल्टे पुल्टे शब्द जब हम तेजी से बोलेंगे तो जरूर ही कोई ना कोई गलती होगी, और ये गलती भी सबको बहुत हंसाने वाली गलती होती है। मैं आपको उदाहरण देके बताती हूँ, जैसे कि बोलना कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़। कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ बोलना तो बहुत आसान है, पर उससे अगर हम जल्दी जल्दी बार बार बोले तो बोलना इतना भी आसान नहीं है। जैसे कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का। देखिए नहीं बोल सकी ना मैं। इसको हम एक कंपटीशन भी बना सकते हैं जिसमें कि एक सदस्य बोलने की कोशिश करेगा और हम गिनती करेंगे कि वो कितनी बार बोल सका, और जो सबसे ज्यादा बार साफ से बोल पाएगा वो जीत जाएगा।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़।
थोड़ा तेज।
क्या बोला?
हो गया, हो गया।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़।
हंसना शुरू कर दिया।
अच्छा देखो आरुषि दीदी कितने बार करती है। कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़। ओके, अब प्रतीक भैया करेंगे।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, कच्चा पापड़। ये वो देख ही नहीं रहा।
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, 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 कच्चा लापड़। ओ
करीब तो बहुत इजी है, करीब डिफिकल्ट वाला करेगा। पता है कौन सा डिफिकल्ट वाला है?
Red
रेड लॉरी, येलो लॉरी। रेड लॉरी,
लॉलीपॉप
येलो लॉरी। रेड लॉरी, येलो लॉरी। रेड लॉरी, येलो लॉरी। रेड लॉरी, येलो लॉरी। लेट
कुछ क्रिया और खेल तो हम बिना कोई चीज़ों के कर सकते हैं, और कुछ क्रिया और खेल हम कोई भी चीज़ों से कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम अपने घर में ढूंढे कुछ रंग बिरंगी चीज़ें। इस खेल का नाम है बना के दिखाओ। इसमें हमें क्या करना है, कुछ रंग बिरंगी चीज़ों को ढूंढना है घर पे। जैसे कि कलर पेंसिल्स हो सकते हैं, क्रेयॉन्स हो सकते हैं, या फिर ब्लॉक्स हो सकते हैं। हमें क्या करना है कि 4-5 रंग के ब्लॉक्स को या कलर पेंसिल्स को अपने पास रखना है, और 4-5 ब्लॉक्स या कलर पेंसिल्स को अपने संग खेलने वाले के हाथ में दे देना है। 2, 3, 4, 5 छोटे बड़े सब ये खेल सकते हैं। ये गेम जितना आसान हो सकता है उतना ही कठिन भी हो सकता है। अब जैसे कि मैंने 4 ब्लॉक्स लगाए, लाल, हरा, नीला, पीला। और मैंने उठा के 10 सेकंड सारे लोगों को दिखा दिया और छुपा दिया। अब उन्हें याद रखना है कि मैंने कैसे ब्लॉक्स बनाए और वैसे ही मुझे बना के दिखाने हैं। अगर बच्चे बड़े ज्यादा खेल रहे हो तो हम 4 की जगह 5 पेंसिल 6 पेंसिल भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। देखिएगा इसमें याददाश्त बहुत लगती है और याददाश्त की शक्ति भी बढ़ती है। खेल के देखें।
सारे के सारे आंखें बंद। अच्छा, आंखें खोलो और देखो। रखा दो, हाथ में पकड़ लो, हाथ में। नीला पीला हरा लाल, नीला पीला हरा लाल, नीला पीला हरा लाल। आंखें बंद और ये देखो पेंसिल। अब करो 1 2। अभी नहीं छूना पेंसिल। स्टार्ट। ये तो किसी का भी नहीं बना। ये भी गड़बड़, ये भी गड़बड़, ये भी गड़बड़।
ये जो खेल है ये हमारा आखिरी खेल है और ये पहेली भी है और ये बनने वाली पहेली है, बातों वाली पहेली नहीं। इसमें अभी तक हमने जो भी चीज़ इस्तेमाल किया था ना, हम वो सब इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जैसे कटोरी, चम्मच, ग्लास, नींबू, पेंसिल, ब्लॉक, कुछ भी। और हो सकता है कि हम ये सब नहीं करके कुछ और ढूंढ लें, घर की ऐसी टेढ़ी मेरी रंगीन बिना रंग वाली चीज़ों को कुछ इकट्ठा करें और एक जने से कहे कि वो कुछ बना के दिखाए उससे। जब वो बना रहा हो तो हम बाकी सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं कि वो क्या बना रहा है, हमें पता लगाना है कि वो क्या बना रहा है। वो चीज बनने से पहले हमें गेस करनी है कि क्या है।
ये क्या बना रही है? तो क्या है ये? डिजाइन बना रही हो नैना, वाह।
अपने आप क्या बना रहे हो? ये तो है ट्रायंगल। ए लिखा आपने। ये तो आपने स्टार बनाया। हाउस नहीं है ये।
मुझे पता ये क्या है।
ये
ये
ओके।
अच्छा, इसको बनाने दो।
ओके, एक अब आप कंप्लीट करो।
वेरी गुड। अभी कनिष्क की बारी है।
ये डायमंड है। बिल्डिंग है ये। ड्रम्स बनाए। वेरी गुड,
वेरी गुड।
अमेजिंग। नेक्स्ट कौन करेगा? एक आप स्टार्ट।
सबको का साइड कर दो। नैना क्या बना रही है? नैना क्या बना रही है? नैना बिल्डिंग बना रही है। ठीक है, नहीं समझ आ रहा हमें तो। नहीं समझ क्या बना रहा है? स्पाइडर। कुछ लगा रहा है और क्या? स्टार बना रहा है।
बहुत अच्छा है ये। वेरी गुड। सब अपने
वेरी नाइस।
तो इतने सब खेलों में मज़ा आया ना। और ये खेल के लिए ना हम बाज़ार गए ना हमने कुछ खरीद के लाया। खेल ये सारे खेल हम बड़े छोटे सब मिलके खेल सकते हैं, बिकॉज़ ये हमारा मानना है कि ये बातें, स्नेह, खेल ही आपस में अपनापन और मेल बनाता है। और खेल एक बहुत अनूठी चीज़ है जो हर परिवार में होनी चाहिए। उसे हंसी मजाक वातावरण बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है और यह वातावरण हमें चाहिए बच्चों के विकास के लिए। बढ़ते बच्चों को ये स्नेह का माहौल बहुत ज़रूरी है उनके लिए।
शुरू के 6 साल बच्चे के जिंदगी के सबसे ज़रूरी साल होते हैं। दोस्त एजुकेशन माता पिता की मदद करता है ताकि वो इन ज़रूरी सालों में अपने बच्चों के विकास में पूरी तरह से शामिल हो पाएं। रोजाना मोबाइल पर रिकॉर्ड हुई हुई कॉल के जरिए हम माता पिता को नई जानकारी, गेम, एक्टिविटी देते हैं जो वो आसानी से अपने बच्चों के साथ घर में कर सकते हैं और बच्चों का मानसिक विकास सही से कर सकते हैं। हमारे बारे में और जानकारी पाने के लिए या हमारे कार्यक्रम से जुड़ने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट पर जाएं या हमें ईमेल लिखें। ये सब जानकारी आपकी स्क्रीन पर है। धन्यवाद।
The second speaker is Professor Manish Jain, who is Associate Teaching Professor and Principal Coordinator of Creative Learning Initiative, a lab in IIT Gandhinagar. Professor Manish graduated from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur in Electrical Engineering and finished a few courses at the Stanford University. His major work has been on designing toys, hands-on activities in engineering, science, and maths, which can make learning experiential and joyful. Prior to starting the Toy Lab in IIT Gandhinagar, Manish worked in Pune's IUCAA Science Center with Mr. Arvind Gupta, making short films on interesting research, designing toys and activities, conducting workshops, and teacher trainings. Professor Manish Jain will explain through various activities how self-made toys can be used as an engaging and inspiring tool for child's education and learning.
Hello and welcome, and thank you so much for calling me here. My name is Manish Jain and it's such a pleasure to be here in this wonderful occasion of Toy Festival, the first ever National Toy Festival. Unfortunately, we have to celebrate it online due to the pandemic that is going on, but still it is an absolutely wonderful initiative to see how we can bring back that gleam in the eyes of our children. So what I have is this small piece of paper and a pen right here, and what I'm going to draw is just a simple arrow on top, and you see this is an arrow pointing up, right? And then I'm holding with my fingers these two diagonally opposite corners, and I'm going to push this from here. So of course the back side shows up, and now I'm going to make another arrow pointing up. So now you have two arrows, two sides, two arrows, both pointing up when I push it from here. Now let me take this in another hand and see something beautiful happens now. You see, now the arrow magically starts to point up and down. In this hand, it is up and up. In this hand, it is up and down. And in this hand again, magically, you see it has become down and down. And I can do the same thing if I hold it like this. I can make it right and left, and then I make it right and right, and the other way. And now this is such a beautiful game that I play in the class. And I can do this with any age. I can do this activity with, preschoolers. Right? Early childhood, grade 1, grade 5, grade 7. In fact, I can do this with college going students, and I can try to say, look, let's figure out this the symmetry of rotation and of the arrow. And if they don't coincide, then, you see this different behavior. The reflection and lots of things that we do in terms of image processing and things like that can be sort of started off with this beautiful engaging activity. And that, I think, is the goal, to bring back the attention of our children right back into learning. And that, I think, is the goal of also, and I wanted to, in that sense, introduce myself and my lab. My name is Professor Manish Jain, and I'm calling from IIT Gandhinagar, like I showed you. This is IIT Gandhinagar, and this is our lab, which we call Center for Creative Learning. And the goal of the lab is to create content which will bring back that gleam that I was talking about. And this is something that, this 30-30 program, which we did this summer, and in fact season 2 is going on right now, where the goal is to bring back that joy and excitement in our, let me just show you right here, is to bring back that inherent joy. Children always like to play. Adults always like to play. Unfortunately, the mindset that we have right now is toys are only for children and for them to learn. These are educational toys. No, I think what we have to bring back is to have that the culture of playing. The culture of the whole family sitting together and playing in the night, whether it is board game, whether it is, toys that you make yourself. And I'm going to show you, take a minute and show you this beautiful example of this, lamp that we have made, just to convey that point. And let me take this thing off. the screen. This is a beautiful lamp, all made out of wood. Wooden pieces. You see triangles, squares, and pentagons, right? And is a beautiful bulb sitting right here. Oh, the bulb is missing. So if you like the bulb, it is a beautiful Diwali lamp or a Christmas lamp or a New Year or whatever occasion lamp. Takes about an hour with just rubber bands and these pieces that we have designed in the this lab in IIT Gandhinagar. And these pieces come to you in form of sheets like this. These are laser cut, handmade, designed in the computer, laser cut, and you can sort of take these pieces out, join them with rubber band, no glue, and magically the whole lamp comes out together. Now imagine these toys if the whole family starts to play with. If the whole family starts to make and then engage, that is what we are calling the joy of learning, and that is in some sense the goal of National Toy Fair, to promote that. And of course commerce will happen, all of that will happen. People will start making, and there will be livelihoods and business and all of that. I mean, India, it's abysmal. India is 0.5% of the overall toy market, and I think all of that will happen, but it has to start from us. It has to start in schools, it has to start in families, it has to start in the society, that playing is not a waste of time. It is something that broadens up the horizon of our children right from early age. And that, I think, is the most critical time. Early childhood, if we push them to just, parrot out, 1 to 3 to 4, oh, my child knows how to, all we have to do is make sure, they can mug up all these numbers from 1 to 10, they can add, they can subtract, but the whole joy, what is it that numbers really mean? Can I sort of find shapes and sense, get a sense of numbers and, numerical literacy, if I can call that happens through interesting games and toys, which is what we need to make sure our children end up doing. And of course, that can happen only when we also start doing that. So in the hour that I have, I'm going to show you a few, a few things that we have developed of the 500 odd toys that we have developed in our lab in IIT Gandhinagar. I'm going to show you a few things which I think are absolutely, I really like them, and they are just absolutely amazing and beautiful. And the goal, like I said, is पाठ्यक्रम की खिचड़ी में खिलौनों का तड़का. Our curriculum is riddled. It's like a I don't know how to translate khichdi in English, but it's like a gruely mixture of carbohydrates only curriculum. And imagine if you feed that for 19,200 hours every day to the children, 8 hours a day, 200 days in school, and 12 years in a row, and that is 19,200. That gruel of carbohydrate and curriculum will make us malnourished, make our children malnourished, and teachers will get bored of serving the same khichdi every day for 12 years. Now imagine the same thing if it is riddled by these beautiful toys, and I'm going to take a minute and show you that example. Then suddenly it brings back that gleam. This is another and some of these are absolutely zero cost. This toy that I have right in my hand, I call this 3-in-1. Simple piece of rubber, two straws. One of them is actually covering the other one half midway. So this straw, the path is completely clear. This straw, the upper one now, is path is half covered by this vertical one. And see magic. See the magic that happens. I have this glass of water. I put this in my mouth and blow. It's a whistle. It's a nice bugle. I turn the other way and blow. It's a spray. Holi aane wali hai, and it's a beautiful toy to play with. And then I can keep it like this and dip it in water. And I'll keep this a little bit away from the screen and then swing. And you see beautifully the water sprinkles out. So this is 3-in-1. A flute, a spray, and a sprinkler. And I can imagine class grade 1, early childhood, every child makes this, and when they come to the class, they start watering plants with this. By the time they are in grade 3, centrifugal forces will automatically go inside, because now I have really played with the toy. And when I'm in grade 8 or grade 10 or grade 12, I can do this class outside the lab, and outside my class in the playground, and I can say, look, what angle should these 2 straws be, so that water goes out the farthest. Now that is absolutely amazing. Now, I did whatever I did, I played, and I also had a lot of curriculum. I can talk about lots of different things with the water droplet that comes out, what path it takes, is it a spiral, is it a parabola, what angle does it come out, and so on and so forth. Infinite. Toys might appear simple, but the same activity can be done in any class right from grade, whichever grade to, higher grades. And that is the beauty, and that I was wondering if I should do this, but this is absolutely amazing thing thing that I thought I should do this. I should do this to bring back that gleam. Whoever is watching, to bring back that gleam and joy, so that it is worth your time that you are watching this, and hopefully it is exciting enough for you. So I have this simple straw. I cut this in 2 parts, and I'm doing this a little sort of in a, like a fast train, because I want to show you a few things in this half an hour, 45 minutes that I have right here with me. So I have this simple straw that I cut in 2 pieces, and I made these triangular cuts at the end. And what I'm going to do now is put this in my mouth and blow. So I'll give this longer one, give this in my mouth and blow. Wonderful. This is like a dad, very thick, heavy voice, and this is like my mom. So this is my mom, this is my dad, this is my mom. And it makes a beautiful sound. And why is it that these two, I made these cuts, and when I blow, because of various laws of physics, this starts to vibrate, and that vibration leads to a sound. And now what I'm going to do is to convert my dad's voice to my mom's voice. And I have to be very careful, because I get so excited and I need to make sure that I don't cut my nose. And the last round, otherwise what will not come from the straw, but will be a really high pitch. Now when I do this, I can talk about various things. And that comes later. I can talk about wavelength, I can talk about frequency, I can talk about how the length reduces and wavelength reduces, but the frequency increases, and so on and so forth, and pitch and sound and musical instruments and so many things. But what I have done is to get you engaged. And in the time of pandemic, when we are sort of doing everything virtual online, I think it becomes even more critical to make our content, to bring back the attention of the children and the teachers. And I think that is why these toys are extremely important. And now I can take the 2 things that I had in my hand, put them both together. See, they are almost same length, so they will produce frequencies close by. Keep them both in my mouth and blow. Almost like a train's horn. That happens because 2 frequencies, when they are close by, they interfere and make this beautiful sound. I can do lots of muck in my class, but the whole idea is to see if I can do these things, I can grab the attention, I can talk about, and this is let me take you to this slide. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about learning. I need to make sure that the toys that I work with are absolutely joyful. Most important thing is they are joyful, they are visually rich and tactile, something that my children, that my adults, that teachers can touch and feel. They have absolutely beautiful creative thinking and problem solving in there, multidisciplinary. I'm not just talking about, I'm not just talking about, just science or whatever. It is art and math and science and whatever else. Philosophy, all of that will come bundled together in these. I think we need to just make sure that that is what our content. We need to give them something to wonder and explore, and interesting and challenging activities for all the teachers. And this is what I think what we try to do in our lab called the Center for Creative Learning. And some of these things is what I'm going to show you right here. And let me just take you let me just show you the kind of joy that happens when we do these things with our children. This is a shot that we did in Himachal Pradesh, very close to Palampur, in a very small school of 30 kids.
संसाधनों की कमी खिलौनों और खुशियों से दूर नहीं कर सकती। दो स्ट्रॉ, एक रबर और एक डंडी, और आंखों की चमक फ्री। एक तरफ से सीटी, दूसरी तरफ से स्प्रे, और तीसरी तरफ से स्प्रिंकलर। ऑल 3 in 1।
I think this is what we should have started with. Khelega India Saparivar, and I think that is a beautiful, if I can call that, a film, or beautifully conveys the idea. And it is so amazing when we were doing this, when my colleagues Sarita and Gaurav were doing this workshop in Palampur. It is absolutely amazing. The kids didn't want to stop. They didn't want to stop. They wanted this, this water spray to happen all the time. Imagine the same thing, this kind of joy the kids had. If we can get the same joy in all the students and all the teachers, I think we have in my opinion, we have solved the problem of education if I can even take that leap. No, that is of course one of the ingredients. I think it is absolutely important in this age, in these times, to grab the attention, to make our content engaging and inspiring. And that is what we try to do with the kind of 500 toys that we have developed in our lab, Center for Creative Learning at IIT Gandhinagar. Of course, if you are interested, there will be links. You can go to our website, ccl.iitgn.ac.in. Let me just bring that up in a minute for you. Oops, the slide is missing. Let me just find that link so that when you are interested in these toys, you can actually they show up. In other words, you can order them. There you go. Let me bring that slide up for you. This is our email. This is the channel on which we broadcast, or we show up all our videos and the lectures that we do, our Facebook page, and this is the website. And if you on this website, if you also write order, that is where you can order all our toys. So so I thought I'll take this a minute to convey that these are the kind of toys that we have made. Of course, we would like all of these things. These are low cost, absolute, and some of them, of course, involve to get these pieces together and show. And the goal is to get you engaged, to get you fall in love with the subject, or with the, that is when we would want to go to school, in some sense. All right. So let me just show you a few more things that I had planned for, and I'll just take a minute to show this beautiful toy. And I like this because it's one, of course, it's a beautiful toy, and two, it tries to convey something very philosophical, right? It tries to convey a message. So what I have is this map of India. And 20 different square pieces and map of India. I can spin, and you see the map doesn't look very nice. It just is distorted, and that's because we are not talking to each other nicely. The states are not talking. And imagine if we keep turning and we start to talk again and are in harmony, and this is what it looks about. And beautiful, beautiful toy. You can of course change this picture to whatever else that you want. What we have done here is a bunch of gears that are connected together, and these are all same size gears. If I make this 3 and 5, I can also talk about LCM and things like that. All of that is done using simple pieces of wood and joined with rubber band, and all designed in our lab, Center for Creative Learning, IIT Gandhinagar. Just like the lamp that I showed you, I'm going to show you a few more, take it up from there. So because we are in that fray, let me just show you this absolutely beautiful toy, which we this is right here. This is a beautiful car. All kids like cars, whether it is girls or boys, younger or older. But this car is a little different, right? This car is a little different, and let me just take this machine somewhere else and click onto my overhead. So this is a car that I have, and I'll put a pen inside, and you see beautifully something magical will happen. The car, and the car moves in one direction, there you go. So this is a car, and you see what happens is when I move the wheels, the car will move in one direction, but you see when I move the wheel, the pen also starts to move. And what I'm going to do now is take you to overhead and see what this does on a piece of paper. This is my other camera, and this white sheet right here, and hopefully you can see this right here. All right. Okay, so this pen is right here. All right. And you see what happens is when the car starts to move, that pen moves in a direction which is perpendicular to the car. So the car, when it moves in a straight line. But you see what happens now. This draws a sine wave. I mean, it's a wave. It's a wavy picture, but what it draws is a sine wave. And let me bring another car that is right here. And these are all the things that we have designed in our own lab. Let me take this car aside, and then I'm going to take a minute and explain what really happened here. This is the same car, except in this car, what was happening was there is a disc right here, and in this car there is something else that is right here, and this car does something else. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, let me try this again. That's okay. Okay, let me do this in another page. I will take this page off. Let's try to do this again. Okay, so this is car that I have, and this is absolutely wonderful. All right, so when this car moves, see what happens. This car draws a wavy thing. Even though the car moves in a straight line, the pen moves perpendicular to the car. And that is because of the disc that we have here. And now let's look at this other car. This other car that I have right here. And what this does is, here, same thing. Except now these are straight lines. This is the beautiful thing about these toys that I have made. And now if you focus right here, what we call this is actually a sine wave. And this, of course, these are straight lines, these are triangular waves. I have just magically converted my cards to start drawing waves. Now imagine, instead of I have magically converted my cards to start to draw waves. Just put a pen, and then these are beautiful toys, right? A frog right here, and just a simple toy with just a couple of gears right here and a simple motor. And when I switch this on, something interesting happens. The frog starts to move. Amazing. Okay, please stay here, and then there you go, you start to move. And I can keep this in my hand. See, all that is happening is the central part of the body is going up and down, but when it doesn't find a way to move, then it starts to move up and down. And when I do this, I can also, of course, talk about the basic laws, laws of friction, because of which this was starting to move. I take it one level forward, one level ahead with this other absolutely amazing walking robot, if I can call that. And when I switch this on, you see it starts to move. We start to move from here, and all you see here is that, if I switch this on, these are gears you see right here when they are moving, and a simple motor, a toy motor right in the middle. All of these toys, like I said, are available. You can make these using just this thing that I was showing you, this sheet that I was showing you. Sheets like this. This is, of course, a sine wave car sheet. The car that you saw, you get this sheet, these pieces come out, you join with rubber band, and similarly various different kind of sheets for this moving robots and so on and so forth. Take these cars down and then show you a few more things that are left in my collection of the 500 things that we have. Let me try to see if I can. Oh yeah, something sitting right here. Let me see if I can do this for you. I have this bird, beautiful toy. The same toy. I have two versions. This one, this bird is not thirsty. So it doesn't have water. When I blow, no noise. It doesn't make any sound. However, this bird has little bit water inside her tummy, and you see what happens now. All there is are these three holes. One here, one right here, another one right here. And when I blow, absolutely. And these toys used to happen long back and made out of clay in India. We have made this from the plastic. Absolutely wonderful. Imagine this happens in every child's hand. Absolutely amazing. I'll show you another very interesting toy, but before that, you can do a lot of these things with just simple paper. I have this cube. You see, this is blue, and this is all made out of paper. We have made this in our lab. A cube which looks blue. I do some magic. It becomes a green cube. Same size cube, I fold it, it becomes a red cube, which means of course the blue cube is sitting inside, and then I do something at the back. I'm not going to show you, it's a mystery or magic, and you see two cubes come together and this becomes one big cube and this becomes another. One becomes two, and then I'm going to turn it upside down so that I show you what I did. These are two stars. Same stars, they fit one inside the other and end up making a cube. You see, this one will go fit inside. Now imagine if I spend an hour making and or whatever time that it takes to make these. So much creativity, so much creativity. The next toy that I'm going to make will be absolutely beautiful when I start to make all of these things. The instructions of how to make this are all on the website. I am really, it'll be nice and interesting if all of you can go. We have designed very, very interesting hand pumps, and I'm going to show all three of them right here. Maybe just one of them. Beautiful. These are one-way walls. Hand pumps, actually, unfortunately, people don't use them very much now that we have convenience of water, 24 hours water, at least some of us in the cities, in our houses. But you see, what I have done here is this one-way valve. When I pull this water, when I pull this syringe, the water comes here. When I push, it goes out here. This closes. When I'm pulling the syringe, this is open, this is closed, and vice versa. And so you see, I can, when this is in right here, and I'm pulling, you see water is coming inside. Oh, maybe I should hold it from here so you can see. And when I'm pushing, you see, oh, it should not fall. It should not fall on my screen. So I'm not going to do this experiment again because I'm afraid it might fall on my computer screen and something. I don't want for it to catch fire or whatever it is. So this is one version of that. This is another version where this is a one-way valve. The other valve is actually a simple, a small steel ball inside, and this is one with two steel balls. All three different kind of hand pumps with, or pumps which children can make. And with that, I'm going to show you, take you to my overhead and show this beautiful, beautiful toy which we call, levitating toy, levitating paper. And let me just do the overhead. So what I have here is this simple toy, toy motor, and you see this motor is right here. On that I have connected a simple ball. All right. So this is a ball that I have, and I'm going to switch this on. See, you can see this. And then what I'm going to do is to put this paper. Let me do it. There you go. There you go. Absolutely amazing. This toy is now levitating in the air. This paper is levitating in the air, almost like a ring of Saturn. I can turn it upside down and still levitates. Bring it back up. Beautiful, beautiful. Like rings of Saturn. Absolutely wonderful. Oops. And then you can see that this it is good to do that. Let me close this. You see, this can go through completely. Still, this paper did not fall because it was levitating. It was not levitating in the air. It is almost like, and once the children play with it, once adults play with it, imagine, these are the kind of toys that we want all the adults to be playing with. Not the toys are not just children's game. बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. कैसे बोलते हैं खिलौने बच्चों का खेल नहीं. खिलौने तो बड़ों का भी खेल है. उतना ही बड़ों का खेल है, उतना ही परिवार का खेल है, उतना ही समाज का खेल है. और वो बात कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है इस टॉय फेयर के थ्रू जानी चाहिए. हम सिर्फ खिलौनों को ऐसा ना समझे कि हमने खरीद कर अपने बच्चों के सर पे मार दिया. नहीं, खिलौने ऐसे हैं जो हमें खुद खेलने का मन करे, और जब हमारे खेलने का मन करेगा तभी बच्चों को लगेगा कि इसके अंदर कुछ मजेदार चीजें हमें भी खेलना चाहिए. वरना बहुत आसान है आजकल तो पबजी के ऊपर और तमाम जो खेल हैं. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि खेलें नहीं खेलें, वो अलग है, वो मेरी अपनी मान्यता है और ओपिनियन है. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट इट इज वेरी इजी टू फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन टू गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू लॉट्स ऑफ दीज ऑनलाइन गेम्स, बट देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल इनहेरेंट जॉय दैट हैपेंस व्हेन यू make things on your own. It takes about half an hour to make this toy. Not too much cost, maybe 10, 15, 20, 30, something like that rupees. Just a simple toy motor, couple of batteries, a simple plastic ball, and a piece of paper. And then the science, if at all that happens, will be very interesting. Why does this? It is almost like hula hoop. I mean, I don't know if you have seen children when they, they have this ring around their neck or even around their, waist, and the ring sort of stays there and spins around. That is exactly what is happening here. And in fact, the challenge would be to, instead of making this square, circular, can you make this whole square and see if it's still, you can do hula hoop with that. Let me see if I had, a couple of things that I thought I'll show you, and then I'll close. And beautiful toy. This, we call it this stack it up. Every cube. These are the kind of toys that can engage the whole family together in the evening for hours on end. And then creative thinking for free. No age. Age is no barrier. You can give this toy to a toddler and ask them to balance and try to see if they can make them all so that all colors are different on all four sides. So let me see this. So you see all four colors: yellow, whatever, blue, and whatever this color is. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of these colors, but whatever is the color, they are all four different. And your goal is to put them so that all four colors are different on all four sides, and that will just imagine there is no power in the evenings. I wish there are days when there is no power in the evening and the whole family sits together and plays. Unfortunately, power these days is very distracting. बत्ती आती है, टीवी चालू हो जाता है, व्हाट्सएप तो खैर बिना बत्ती के भी चालू हो जाएगा, बट इमेजिन अगर बत्ती नहीं है और सारा परिवार साथ में बैठकर खेल रहा है. इट्स एन एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग टॉय. इट विल स्क्रैच योर हेड फॉर डेज. Make 4 cubes, all different colors. Every young child, adult, anybody can play. Call this stack it up. And if you know how to do this, how to solve this problem, let us know. We'll be very happy. Our email, like I said, was cli@iitgn.ac.in. And I had this other, up it up, which I unfortunately cannot find it right now. Oh, there is. It is sitting at the back. Before I get that, let me show this other levitating. I showed you that first pen which was levitating vertically. This is another version, and here this pen actually levitates in the air but horizontally. This is actually in the air. Just 3 magnets, 2 magnets at the bottom, 1 magnet on the pen. That's it. There is no jadoo. There is no magnet. There is no magic. This pen levitates in the air. This you see very close to your camera. This is actually in the air. This is in the air. This levitates in the air, and this is one of the fundamental principles on which the magnetic levitation or the fastest trains in the world have. Let me grab up it up for you, and then with that I think we are done for the day. Syringe, JCB machine, a model of a JCB machine, but works because of syringes. And most of you, some of you might have seen this in various toy fairs and so on and so forth. Except what the basic thing that we wanted to sort of make show by this toy was that the syringe that we have connected here in the output and the syringe that we have connected here in the input from where we push. This is a smaller syringe and this is a bigger syringe, which is what makes this a machine. See, JCB is a machine. I needed to do more work by applying less force. And if I keep both the syringes at input and output same, which is what normally happens in all the toys that I've seen anybody making or building, then it is not a machine. Like in 3 Idiots, that guy said, what is the definition of a machine? And we have to go back to the basics. The definition of a machine is that something that makes our work easier. Or faster. In this case, easier. Easier is when I put less force and I get a lot of work done. Of course, that less force I have to put for a long amount of time, which is what machine enables me to do. 1 kilo का वजन लगाया और 1000 किलो का वजन उठा दिया. That is JCB. That can only happen if I have the input output syringe which is bigger and input syringe which is smaller. But for that I will need these connections, larger connections, these one-way valves to make sure when I push the water goes one way, when I pull it comes from some other way. This is exactly how the machines work in real. But when I make these toys, and it makes me feel proud that we are sort of the only place or lab or whatever you want to call it where we have designed this, no matter nowhere else. And I will just show you. This is how it's absolutely brilliant. And the same thing, like I said, these machines are available, on our website, and these toys are available on our website, and you can get them by, just going to our website and going to this order. And of course, since we are calling from IIT Gandhinagar, I thought this is a beautiful finale. The last toy that I'm going to show you, absolutely amazing toy. We call this the Charkha, and of course, land of Gandhi. We used it to make cloth, to spin, convert our cotton to fiber, to thread, and instead this toy actually does something else. It spins electricity. And let me take off the, maybe switch off the lights so that you can see this better. And hopefully you can see this better now. When I spin this, you see it glowing. All that happens is this. All that happens is when I spin this, the magnet spins inside, and that leads to current being generated, or the EMF being generated inside this machine. So I hope you enjoyed, the toys that we had to show. And I think if I can bring back, my slides on, the whole goal of coming in front of you and talking to you was to just convey that, toys are absolutely, they are serious business. Toy is a serious business and not something to just play and throw it away and not worry about. One of my friend, philosopher and guide and mentor, Arvindji, used to say, toys are serious business and we need to take it seriously. We need to make sure that toys enter our schools, our classrooms, our families, our societies, and that is how we can make learning engaging and inspiring. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you very much from IIT Gandhinagar, Center for Creative Learning, IIT Gandhinagar.